Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. How are you today? I hope you all doing fine. So let's start our class for today. Okay, first we need watercolor, yellow, green, and red. Next, we need cotton bud. First, you need to tie the cotton bud. Next, paper plate. Put all the color into paper plate. Piece of paper. So mommy or daddy, you need to print out the paper first. Put some water. Okay, let's start. Take your cotton bud. Tap the cotton bud to the paper. Try with another color. Red color. Mix all the color and then dab all over the front. Finish. Okay, that's all for today. See you next class.